pleasure to be here today at the NISM campus. And, the idea was, for us was to be able to come together, have a collaborative agreement between IMT Ghaziabad and NISM. The idea is for our students to be able to spend some time here, which is a place which is very close to the heart of the financial capital of the country. Our students will get a lot of practical learning, will get a lot of learning based on context and, let's say, the securities markets, for example. And this will help us differentiate ourselves. It will help us, the students, differentiate themselves, become more competitive, become more knowledgeable about what's actually happening in industry.
Really happy to have a tie-up with IMT Ghaziabad. This is in a direction towards the capacity building in securities market. We need large number of well-learned, well-educated people in securities market. And in order to develop this tie-up will help the students of IMT Ghaziabad to learn about securities market and develop their skills. And they will be ready to get job position once they complete the course with NISM.
Tie-up with NISM, National Institute of Securities Market, with IMT Ghaziabad for PGDM BFS students will go a long way exposing the students to nuances of security markets, security laws and capital markets. The whole idea of this tie-up would be a 6.5 week immersion program for the PGDM BFS students that they will be exposed to subjects like initial banking, securities market laws, security capital markets, nuances of capital markets. Students will be also be going to various financial institutions like SEBI, NSE and BSE. So I wish all the best to all the students who will be coming and joining the first part of the PGDM BFS and exposing them to all these facilities. Thank you.
NISM, a capacity building initiative of the market regulator SEBI, is very happy to collaborate with IMT Ghaziabad. We look forward to have the students of IMT Ghaziabad to have modules covering various facets of securities market. Thank you.
So today we signed an understanding with IMT Ghaziabad. This understanding going to start with the simple student immersion program, but we believe that this start would be for the next level, and we'll be able to manage more programs with IMT Ghaziabad. And this program is going to provide a new learning experience for the students. And with the network of NISM and access to the industry, the student will have a great experience here. We wish all the best to all the students. Thank you.